All right, y'all, we are back here at Deer Fern Ridge, Riverside's new construction community in the heart of Bethany. This is your 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, the 2348 floor plan. You do not want to miss this. Let's go. All right, y'all, thanks again for coming along on this tour of the 2348 floor plan here in gorgeous Deer Fern Ridge, the heart of Bethany, Riverside's new construction community. This is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath home. Make sure, if you love these tours, you leave me a comment. I always love to hear what you have to say. Until I see you again, take care.